Hi, my name is Kaare and I am a Business Development Manager of KnowGo, which is a company in Mauritius, but I'm currently in Denmark. And maybe I should say KnowGo, why we call ourselves KnowGo. KnowGo is spelled like this, and it is a name which means to show that we combine knowledge and workflow into intelligent workflow. KnowGo. We have been in Mauritius since 2009, and we now sell a software product which we call the Mauritius Machine, and we aim it at e-government clients mainly in Europe. What we specialize in is the so-called process matrix, and we have made it possible to design the process matrix in Excel. And the benefits of the process matrix are that your users will get a better overview and a lot less bottlenecks. And let me explain why that is so, and then afterwards let me explain how easy it is to design solutions in the process matrix. But first of all, the better overview. Why is that? That's because if you design a workflow in a matrix like the one you see here, then you have 4 steps to the left: apply, case handling, approve, and archive. And you have 3 roles which have a column each. One is the applicant, who is this person. One is the caseworker, who is this person. And one is the approver, or the boss, or whatever, who is this person, the one with the cigar. And you see the E's to denote that it's the applicant who executes the apply step, it's the caseworker who executes the case handling step, it's the boss who approves the whole thing, and then provided that we get past approval, or even if we don't, we archive it, and that is the caseworker who does that. Now, for flowcharts, you would have the E's would be boxes, and you would only be able to see your own E, so to speak. But the point with the process matrix is that you can let the applicant see, if you don't block him here, he will be able to see the workflow as it progresses through the departments of these 2 roles. And furthermore, this guy, the boss, will be able to see what has preceded his execute step, and he will make sure to see what happens afterwards. So by means of the matrix, you simply get the ability to show everything to everybody, provided you want to do that. You can, of course, block. But that will mean that for large workflows, you see where the case is, and it's not just that you only see your own work. That creates a huge benefit. So that was the better overview. The second thing that you get as a user is that you get less bottlenecks. Now the whole thing is coded in a matrix like this, and this is just a slightly more complex one that resembles the preceding one. In the preceding one, we only showed the process matrix, this part of it, the role part. Then you add the predecessors, and you add decision variables, and you add the information elements. Now the predecessors here, you only denote those that actually have to be there for the case of for your business logic. And that means that if you don't add anything here, then everything is parallel. And so we have the opportunity in the process matrix to specify only the bottlenecks that have to be there to fulfill the business logic, and not also those which would be in between the execution steps. And the flowchart therefore introduces a lot of unnecessary bottlenecks. Now, what does that mean? Well, we call it a bottleneck, so it's because when you take the sales material from a usual flowchart-based workflow product, they typically show you a very simple case, and they only show you one case. So of course it seems like it will flow very well, because they, so to speak, only pour lightly. Now real life business is like this, and then you get a lot of problems with the fact that it cannot escape the bottle. Whereas if you had put everything in a process matrix, and the matrix to be symbolized here by a net, the spider net of Spider-Man, then you can pour, and it will just stream out at the pace you want. So the point is that you get a lot less bottlenecks when you use the process matrix than if you use the flowchart. Now that's why you should use the Mauritius Machine of KnowGo. And I invite you to look at other videos which explain to you the ease of design. We have opted to use Excel as a matrix design to use something that everybody has. Yeah, and well, I hope that this teaser was interesting to you, and I wish you good luck, and I hope you will check out our design videos and other marketing material, and then I look very much forward to actually meeting you and maybe creating some value together. See you later.